Welcome back to our learning series on how to streamline vendor returns with NetSuite's Vendor Return Authorization feature. Handling vendor returns can be a daunting task, but NetSuite's Vendor Return Authorization can help simplify the process and enhance communication with your vendors. To get started, log into your NetSuite account and go to the Vendor Return Authorization tab. From there, you can effortlessly create a return authorization for a specific vendor, choose the items to be returned, and provide detailed reasons for the return. NetSuite also enables automatic notifications to be sent to your vendors, keeping them informed at every stage of the process. This feature significantly improves communication and streamlines the return workflow. As returns are processed, NetSuite automatically updates your inventory levels, ensuring you always have an accurate view of your stock. This allows you to make informed decisions about future orders. In this video, we guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a vendor return authorization. First, open the purchase order that needs to be returned to the supplier. Ensure the status is fully billed. Now, click on Authorize Return. This action creates the Vendor Return Authorization form. Verify that the items match the purchase order. Then click Save. A notification will appear confirming that the transaction was successfully saved. However, the status will be shown as pending approval. Click on Approve Return. A confirmation message will appear stating that the Vendor Return Authorization is approved. The status will change to Pending Return. Click on the Return button. This action will take us to the Item Fulfillment page. Select the checkbox for the items that need to be returned and click Save. A confirmation message will appear, and the status will change to Pending Credit. Under the Related Records sub-tab, it will still reflect the item fulfillment. Click on Refund. This action will take us to the Bill Credit page. Select the mandatory fields, such as location, and then click Save. A notification will appear indicating that the bill credit was successfully saved. Then, click on the Vendor Return Authorization. The status will now be changed to Credited. Under the Related Records sub-tab, the item will now appear as Bill Credit. Next, click on the purchase order under the Related Records sub-tab. The field will update to show that the Vendor Return Authorization is credited. Thank you for watching our video on Vendor Return Authorization in NetSuite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your business processes with NetSuite. To learn more about how NetSuite can benefit your business, contact us today.